Learning to feed with heroes so cool. Avengers are here to take us to school. Sing along loud, come shout hooray! Let's learn our letters the fun hero way. And the day is for Avengers, brave and bright. They save the world with all their might. It's for Black Panther, strong and fast, running through Wakanda, zooming past. It's for Wakanda, zooming past. True, with a shiny shield, red, white, blue. E is for Doctor Strange, so wise, magic sparks and glowing eyes. E is for Endgame, the heroes unite. Teamwork, power, makes things right. F is for Falcon, flying high, soaring fast across the sky. G is for Groot, who says I am Groot, dancing to the beat so cute. H is for Hulk, big and green, strongest hero you've ever seen. I is for Iron Man, smart and bright, zooming in armor, shining light. K is for Jet, it goes whoosh, whoosh, heroes ride fast, what a swoosh. K is for Kamala, calm and brave, fighting hard, she'll always save. O is for Okoye, with her spear, protects Wakanda without fear. With Blue is for Quicksilver, speedy feet, zoom so fast you'll miss the beat. R is for Rocket, small and loud, building gadgets makes him proud. S is for Scarlet Witch, red and strong, magic swirls and sings a song. T is for Thor, Thunder King, lightning flashes when he swings. U is for Ultron, oh no, beware, but heroes stop him with teamwork care. V is for Vision, calm and kind, heart of gold and brilliant mind. S is for Wanda, we love to, power of magic, glowing hue. X is for X-Men, coming through, mutant heroes, brave and true. Y is for Yondu, arrow fly, whistles once, zoom through the sky. H is for Zoom, our song is done, heroes learned the ABCs, what fun! ABC, now we know,